Warning. The stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
Hold on. There you go. I gotta put my weight. Go.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
I didn't get to meet y'all. Obvious.
Brandon.
Brandon. All right. What's up, y'all? So we're here. I got Delon with me.
That's me.
That's me.
I just wanted to look at my nipples. Go ahead.
So we're here out on the Sand Jack, his home river or area that he loves to ride.
Home water.
We're just out here for the Buoy Course race, but I'm not here to do the Buoy Course race really. I'm just here to drink and hang out on the sandbar.
She didn't bring Asian barbecue. That is a file.
It's not an Asian barbecue, it's Filipino barbecue.
Filipino barbecue.
Filipino barbecue. And over there, doing the Buoy Courses. Plenty of skis over there. Delon wore me out earlier trying to go get his ski, and that was his plan all along, is so that I won't want to run the Buoy Courses and he could beat my time on the sparks.
That's what I do. Safety first, baby. Oh, this is the last good footage of me. Oof. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Riding a 300 or anything above a spark. Good luck.
Love. So we went from all the way up there, all the way down here, because somebody forgot their key to their truck.
I didn't forget my guns, baby. So what are we gonna do? Are we gonna throw it off the edge or do it normally?
I don't know. How deep is it right there?
7 feet.
There's a piece of wood right here. Karina, will you move that? So it doesn't block him? Oh, never mind, he's gonna go around.
Not the trailer.
Are you sure it's deep right there?
Yeah, I'm sure. Right there.
And it shows ski. And we'll block it real quick. Oh, actually, look here. Put it right here against the wheel.
I'll go for this.
Oh, watch out! Wait! Hey, I was filming it the whole time. Hold on, wait. Let me hold this. Go ahead. Here. Let's lift it back on.
Yes.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my gosh.
Holding it.
They are fucking crazy.
Oh shit. Hold on. There you go. I gotta put my weight. Go.
Oh. You're so crazy. I'm guessing you've done this before.
Alright, let's see. Damn near workout. 10. 13. 2.
Hey. Work them legs out. Come on.
Let's just say I'm tired. I am tired.
Hope y'all like our little split splash. Just keep in mind that I think I can overhead press the trailer weight and bench press the jet ski weight. So for anybody who wants to say something dumb, just keep in mind that it's probably because you can't do it. But right.
Damn!
Is that my friend on the boat? Oh, I thought you were working. Shit. Oh my. I gotta get some of that footage. What's going on, twins?
What up?
Oh, where have y'all been? Doing good. How have y'all been doing? You got it all up and running again? I don't know. Are you with the group or you just came?
I'm here.
Oh, okay, my name's Avian.
That's fine. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You're gonna put a time in now? 55? Shit, I don't even know where the buoys are. I'm gonna go behind you. What's going on? Where are you parking? You put your time in? What's your time? 44. 44? So these two are gonna go 2 up on this buoy course. Hey, are you gonna give me some good footage today?
You talking about falling off?
I mean bucking off somebody.
You already bucked me and I held on.
Shit.
Don't forget there's 2 green ones in a row right there. So don't round that first one too hard.
Missed the buoy. Hey, buddy. What happened? Too fast, too furious? Do you want help? You know, I had to come out here and film you.
I know you did.